Hey, welcome back my dear friend. My name is Neymar and in this video I am helping you how you can make $100 to $2,000 a day with copy and paste using Google. But before I start these secret tips, if you new to this channel, make sure you subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell. Why? Because every week I upload 4 videos to helping you my dear friend to make more money and build your online business so much faster. So first of all, I want to share with you the earning proofs, because I don't want to share with you guys a scammy things that you can make money. No, I want to share with you a real secret tips how you can make $2,000 a week, because you can see here guys, weekly summary in my PayPal account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I want to share with you it's available worldwide, free to get started, no experience need guys, because as I promised, it's a copy and paste doing things guys. So first of all, I want to share with you. So number 1 is Powerful Living. Powerful Living giving you $125 to $375 per post. Here is the website guys. We can see here the writing guideline. Powerful Living is a weekly publication and part of the David C. Cook Adult Carmen line, every 8-page issue including one feature article and several shorter pieces. So I don't want to share with you the whole because it's a so much boring thing. So I want to introduce you guys. So our number 2 is guys, Clarky's World give you $500 to $1,380 per post. Third list is guys called AC Moves Science Fiction. They give you guys up to $1,600 per story. And the number 4 list is guys the Sun Magazine. The Sun Magazine give you up to $2,000 per post. Number 5 is guys Vibrant Life. They give you up to $100 to $300 per post, whole article. Okay, so here is our article, and we also copy this answer. You can see here is the so much long article. If we want to this little bit more nicer, we need to do is guys fix the article, and then we need to submit this on those websites guys. You can see here those websites. So just faster way I can show you. There are many ways to lose weight, but it depends on your body type, environment and stress factors as well as the eating habits. I saw I just need to this delete because this is copy and paste doing. If I say this word, the website owners know, they understand all about that. So we need to do is guys delete the whole. And then for instance, some people gain a belly fat from too much sugar, while others people may gain it by eating too much stuff. For me, I eat too much sugar, so I have to cut back on the load and cut back on that. So we need to delete this. anytime I cut the sugar down, my stomach slims. I can delete here. Red tea detox review 2090 for detox, since we can also gain weight by having toxins in our body, or just have a water weight. Good luck on your weight loss journey. You will get energy from the food diet. If the energy you get from food is greater than, so I don't want to read all of this because I don't want to bore you. So we can copy this article, and then we just need, guys, is called for example, I want to submit this article on this website, Power for Living. So I need to do is, guys, so I need to submit this on this website called Flex World Magazine. So here is the submission. Go here to submit your stories. First of all, we need to do is go on this website and then submission article, and then go here to submit your stories. So we can go here, and here is our email address, ticket, and then text status, and then we copy our article, and then finally if they approve our article, we can make our money. Okay guys, how we can make this money, guys? First of all, here is the Quora.com website, question answers websites. So if we want to write an article about health, how to lose weight, we need to search on how to lose weight, WIGHT, weight. So here is the answer, guys. This question answer gives us the name of Danny, his name of Danny, and we can see here he write a long article. Also see they have a two answers, guys. I want to copy this whole article. Okay, so we need to go on Google article. Sorry, I'm not going to Google article. I just want to save in my notepad. So here is the article. So we need to do is, guys, first of all we need to write our question, how to lose weight, WIGHT, how to lose weight, and then we need to do is, guys, copy the. So guys, if you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell.